Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Millex Mother Root Powder is authentic and uncontaminated. Quality matters because impurities concentrate. Once confirmed, weigh 0. 5 to 1, 0 g on a 0.1 g scale to control potency. Make sure to have a clean jar, a sealed measuring spoon, and distilled water ready. This prevents reactions and preserves stability. You'll also want gloves and ventilation to avoid inhalation. Safety first. The process is simple, but precision protects results. Once done weighing, combine the powder with 20 to 30 ml distilled water in your jar and stir actively for 10 to 15 minutes so compounds begin to dissolve. If you need stronger extraction, place the sealed jar in a water bath at around 40 to 50 degrees C and heat gently for 20 minutes. This helps release constituents without degrading them. After extraction, filter through a fine mesh or coffee filter and press or squeeze to collect the remaining liquid. This concentrates what you need. You now measure the final liquid volume and calculate the concentration, adjusting with distilled water to reach your target dose so administration is consistent. Make sure to transfer the extract into an amber bottle, refrigerate, and label with date and concentration. This preserves potency and tracks freshness. If the extract appears cloudy, has an off odor, or shows unexpected sediment, discard it and re-extract using fresh powder. Contamination is the most common problem, so start over rather than risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.